Good morning, class. I am requesting Mr. Clem to lead us the prayer. Amen. Now you can take your seats. Who are not around today? None? Amazing. That really means that you're interested to learn. So, can someone give me our rules and regulations before we start our lesson? Oh, yes. Thank you. Yes? Brilliant. Can I expect those things from you? Excellent. Just a quick review as we proceed to our lesson. Who can say something about our previous lesson related to? Yes, very good. That is all about literature and language arts. So literature refers to our written works, including novels, poem, play, and essay that are considered to have a realistic and artistic intellectual value, often exploring themes, characters, narrative that reflects human experiences. On the other hand, language art encompasses the study and creativity use of language, encompassing skills such as reading, speaking, writing, and listening to foster effective communication and engage with various forms of literature and expressions. Now, who wants to play a game? Very good. I think everyone really loves playing games. I will be showing you pictures that is related to our topic for today. Here is the picture number 1. Who can tell me what are the missing letters in this picture? Yes? That is good. It is a writer. Now let us proceed. Here is the picture number 2. Who can give me the missing letters to make this word complete? Yes, miss. That is right. It is the word author. Now let's proceed to the picture number 3. This is the picture number 3. Who can give me what are the missing letters in this word or phrase? Yes, mister. That is right. It is the letter O and E that will make this phrase complete, which is the word poet. In the statement number 4, this will help us come up with what will be our topic for today. Now can you please read? Yes, subject, matter and theme, setting, voice, rhythm, rhyme, imagery, and other language usage. Who can tell me, and as well as sound pattern, who can tell me what is this? What are this? Yes, that are sound features. Thank you for your cooperation and for your really warm engagement. Now, do you have any idea what will be our topic for today? Yes, miss. Brilliant idea. Yes, Mr. Ken. Thank you for that answer. Yes, Miss Faith. That's brilliant. Yes, Miss Teen. Okay, your answers have really something to do with that for our topic for today. Last one. Yes, Miss. Features. Yes. Yes, ma'am. That is right. Our topic for today will be features of poetry. Before we will proceed to our lesson proper, I will be presenting to you our learning objectives and I will be flashing it into the screen. First objective, by the end of the lesson, the students should be able to define and identify the different features of poetry, analyze and explain the impact of this feature on the overall meaning and effect of a poem. Lastly, apply their understanding of poetry features by creating their own poem. In today's lesson, we will dive into the wonderful world of poetry and explore its unique features. Understanding these features is crucial for appreciating and interpreting poems effectively. So let's dive in. Poetry is a form of literary arts that uses language and imagery to express emotions, ideas, and experiences. It is a medium that allows us to capture the essence of a moment, evoke powerful emotions, and convey complex thoughts and condense into an artistic manner. Poetry is a form of literary expression that uses language, rhythm, and imagery to evoke emotion, convey ideas, and create vivid experiences for a reader or listener. It is a highly condensed and expressive form of writing, often characterized by its use of metrical patterns, rhymes, and various literary devices. One of the defining features of poetry is it emphasizes the concise and precise language. Poets carefully select words that will be employed techniques like metaphor, simile, personifications, and symbolism to convey complex emotions and ideas in a condensed and imaginative manner. So they often also play with the sounds and rhythm of words, creating musical quality that can enhance the impact of the poem. So overall, poetry is a powerful form of artistic expressions that captures the beauty, complexity, and depth of human experiences. It has also the ability to provoke thoughts, stir emotions, and ignite imagination in both the writer and also the reader. I have a question. Have you ever encountered any poems before? And can you briefly discuss your experiences about it or your experience about it? Who have some experiences about a poem that they have read? Yes, Miss Kate. Thank you for your brilliant and for sharing your experience. Other hand. Yes, Miss Lee. A nice experience about poems. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for sharing your interesting experiences. At this point of time, I will be introducing you, finally, to the features of poetry. The first I will be presenting is the rhyme. Can someone please read the definition of this? Thank you. So, rhyme is the repetition of sounds at the end of the word. Like, for example, too cool for school, see you later alligator, full and wool. As you can say, the word cool and school has the same end word that is being repeated. Now, let us proceed. The next feature is the rhythm. Please read, Miss Joyce. Thank you, you may sit down. So this excerpt from The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost showcases a clear rhythmic pattern. It follows an iambic pentameter, which means each line consists of 4 pairs of unstressed and stressed syllables. The rhythmic pattern creates a sense of regularity and musicality as you read the poem aloud. The next feature is the figurative language. Yes, please read, Mr. Ray. Thank you, you may sit down. The first example of this figurative language will be the simile. It is a type of figurative language which is used to compare one thing against another. Simile compares the likeness of two things and often features the word like or as strong as, for example, as strong as an ox, as brave as a lion. Next will be the metaphor. It is a phrase describing something as something it is not in reality, as it used to compare two things symbolically. A metaphor literally describes something as something it is not. For example, love is a battlefield. Next is the hyperbole. It is a figure of speech which exaggerated the meaning of a sentence. For example, my granddad is as old as a time. The next figurative language will be the personification. It is a type of figurative language that is used to give an inanimate object or item as a sense of being alive. The speaker will talk to the object as if it could understand and was intelligent. For example, why are you as heavy as a suitcase? The last one will be the imagery. Please read Mr. Jess. Thank you. So, these are the types of imagery: the auditory, tactile, gustatory, vivid, and olfactory. You can also take pictures, or I can send you the PowerPoint presentation for your reference. Thank you. Yes? Yes, I will send it to our GC. This time I will be giving you handouts for our discussion of the story The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. I will be giving you 10 minutes to read the story, and after that we will be having our analysis afterwards. 10 minutes is up. So I will be giving you 1 minute or two to conceptualize your ideas, and I will be calling you one by one. Yes, Mr. Lim. As you explore this story, what are the features that have you observed in the poetry or in the poem? Okay, thank you. Yes, Mr. Franz, can you say something or can you add up to what Mr. Lim had said? Okay, you may take your seat. Thank you for your observation also. Next. Okay, everyone, please settle down. This time, I will be divided you into 5 groups, and you will be composing a poem that all the features that we have discussed must be present in on your poem that you will be creating. You should also identify and analyze the features of the poetry. So now that as create your groupings, please count from 1 to 5. 1, start from the back. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Okay. Now please proceed to respective groups. You may collaborate with each other and give suggestions. As I will say this, you will be presenting that in our next meeting. So please be guided by the criteria, as this will be my basis for your grade, as how I will be grading each one of you. Content and theme will be 15%, 15 points. Language and imagery will be 15 points. Structure and creativity will be 10 points. And the last one will be tone and mood will be also 10 points. Any clarifications? If none, please do cooperate in your group mates, as I will be expecting that you will presenting such an excellent performance in our next meeting. So everyone, please stand. Have a nice day, everyone. Okay, take care also. Good day, everyone. Okay, have a nice day.